Hello and welcome to another tutorial from SandraStitches. Today we are going to learn how to add yarn when you run out of yarn in the middle of your project and you need to knot a new yarn, and we are going to learn how to make the Fisherman knot, which is, I think, the most popular knot to connect yarns when you run out in the middle of the project and you need to continue with the same color. I know there are other ways to connect yarns that leave less of a knot inside your project, but I think the Fisherman knot is the most popular one, and also it's very, very strong connecting method. So this is the situation: you ran out of your yarn and you want to connect the new one. So how do we do it when we have the tail from the working yarn and we have the new yarn, right? So we put the yarn, the working one, the tail, like so, and we take the new yarn that we want to connect, we lay it over the tail, underneath, like so, and over, and make a knot here. A normal knot, but we don't pull it to the end. Here, between the tail and the working yarn. This is the tail, this is the tail that we left, and this is the new yarn. Now we take the tail and we make another knot on the new yarn. So we put the yarn above here on top, around and inside, like so, pull it. So we have two knots, one here and one here, and now we pull the two ends. This is the working yarn and this is the new yarn. We pull them together, and very, very, very strong. So we have, and we pull the two ends here. As you can see, it does not open. So now we just take the scissors and cut the yarn, and we can cut it very close to the knot and nothing will happen to it. It will not open. Okay, so this is a Fisherman knot. It's very efficient, and now you can continue working. Yes, you will have a little knot if you're working a wearable, a top or something, so try to make it on the sides and not in the middle of the work, because maybe you will feel it, but it's a very convenient way to connect new yarn. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.